How to use two independent columns in Microsoft Word. If you've ever tried to set up two columns in Word for a bilingual document, a side-by-side resume, or a Q&A sheet, you know how annoying it is when typing in the left column suddenly pushes your text over to the right. So today I'm going to show you the ultimate workaround to get truly independent columns that you can type in completely separately. So if you use Word's default columns button under the Layouts tab, the text flows like a newspaper. Once the left side fills up, it automatically spills into the right. To keep them completely independent, we actually are going to use a borderless table. So you just go to the top ribbon, select Insert tab here, then click on Table, and highlight a grid that is 2 columns wide by 1 row deep, so 2 on 1. And now you have two perfect side-by-side boxes. You can type whatever you want in the left and the right. Press enter to start a new paragraphs as well, right? Do whatever you want. And the right column will stay completely empty until you click into it and start typing there. Obviously, you probably don't want your document to look like a spreadsheet. Let's make those grid lines completely invisible. So hover your mouse over the table and click on the tiny four-headed arrow icon right over here to highlight the entire table. Then open your top ribbon, click on Table Design here. That just appeared. On the right side, click the drop-down arrow next to Borders and choose No Border. And just like that, the black lines vanish. You are left with two perfectly aligned, independent columns of text. And now, if you must use Word's native column tool, but just want to jump to the right side without filling up the left side first, you can use a column break. So go to Layouts, then you go to Columns, and then from the drop down here you select 2. Then you type your text in the first. When you are ready to jump to the next side, don't just mash the Enter key. Instead, go up the Layout tab and click Breaks right here, and select Column. That's it. The borderless table is definitely the easiest, stress-free way to keep things side by side without your formatting breaking later on. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.